High-quality firearm accessories by the American brand Reptilia, now distributed by Spechurt. The offer includes both precision-machined metal components and durable polymer products. Among them, robust yet lightweight mounts for optical and optoelectronic sights, whose design has set a new industry standard, now widely imitated by competitors. From minimalist red dot mounts, through one-piece scope rings, to adapters for tandem sight configurations. Ergonomic pistol grips compatible with both AR-15 and AK platforms. Rifle stocks including the innovative RECC-E folding stock. Why is Reptilia a brand worth your attention? Reptilia delivers products of the highest quality, designed for shooters who demand durability, reliability, and modern engineering. Their distinctive design and flawless finish convey a true sense of precision and prestige. As an authorized Reptilia distributor, Spechurt guarantees competitive pricing, fast shipping from our warehouse in Poland, genuine products covered by warranty, continuously expanding range of products. Explore the full product catalog at Spechurt.pl.